In this video, I will explain how to use two accounts on WhatsApp in a few simple steps. So first up, let's check settings first. And as you can see, there is no option that we can change our account in WhatsApp. So what we're going to do for that is we will download this app. We will download WhatsApp Business because it functions the same as the WhatsApp app. So just use your new account or add the new number that you will be using in this app, and then just use it as how you normally would use the WhatsApp app. So for example, in WhatsApp you can just do the things that you do always, and then you can also do it for WhatsApp Business. All you need to do is to download both apps, and you can use the second app for the second account. And then because WhatsApp doesn't offer a two accounts per app, and that's why you will be downloading WhatsApp Business for you to do that. So that's about it. That's how to use two accounts on WhatsApp. Drop a comment below to let me know if this was helpful or if you need any more assistance. Your feedback is super important to me. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that follow button. Your support really helps in reaching more people who could benefit from this video.